Hey loves, so I have my hair packed all back. It's not braided, it's packed all back. I just use this wig cap to like slick it down even more. So now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, the hair I'm going to be using is from Natural Wigs. So it came with a hair bonnet. I'm guessing this is, oh okay, it's a silk hair bonnet. I'm guessing this is like a double-sided bonnet, which is quite cool. And this is their Diva Blowout hair. It is a kinky hair. It has a kinky texture and it's also bob as well. So this is what the hair looks like. This is what the construction is like. So it comes wigged already. It has like the elastic band you can use to secure the head, and there are no clips inside it, so it's going to be super comfortable. And it already comes bleached, guys. Already the knots are bleached, so all you have to do is literally put it on your head and style it, finesse it basically. Okay, so just by looking at the parts, I can tell that the knots were a little bit over bleached because the bleach is seeping through the hair. So I just put it on my head, and this is what the hair looks like. It feels like my natural hair, or like a more healthier version of my natural hair. And definitely I still need to tweeze the front part because it looks too full for me. I'm just going to do that now. So now I just want to take it out and cut this excess. I want to cut this excess lap right there. Let me put this back on. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like, and you can go ahead to straighten it out, curl it out. I'm going to be doing that, but I don't know what to do first. I don't know if to straighten it out first, then curl it. Let me just see what it looks like in a center part. Alright guys, so because the bleach was kind of seeping through, it's making hair look like it's a bit bald, which it isn't. So I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow just to darken this area right here. Okay, so now it looks totally normal. I'll show you guys the before and now the after. So this is what the hair is looking like right now. It still looks full, but then it has like this very straight silky feel to it. I'm gonna put this right now. I'm just looking at my mirror right here. I am noticing that because the hair wasn't straight, oh god, this looks nice, but I'm noticing that it is not leveled. I don't know if you guys can see this area right here. It's not as leveled as it should be, so I'm just going to go ahead to just trim off the excess parts. Can we see this long hair strands over here? Yeah, we do not want that. The best thing to do is to put this on a mannequin head. I'm just going to, okay, what I'm using now is a needle. I just want to take out a little bit of hair, just that much, nothing too serious. More out. right there. So this is what we have now. I just want this part to be rough so that it covers this part. I don't really want baby hairs. This is what the hair looks like now that I've pressed it down. I don't know if you guys can see the volume, so you can definitely achieve a different bit of versatility with this hair. If you guys want that afro, you know, kinky full hair back, just dip this hair inside water and you get that back, or wash it to be more precise. Just wash your hair and you get that back just as you would with your actual natural hair. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the hair looks like right now in a center part. You can definitely flip it over to the side and turn it into like a side part. Let's see if we like it this way. This angle or this angle. Oh, this angle. You can also style this hair as a side part. So what I want to do is to bring this forward a bit, then like wave this outside. I hope that makes sense. Actually, it doesn't. But I wanna, let me just show you what I like this. So we get like that. So I want to lift this up a bit, let the curls start from here. Whoa, whoa. Oof, yes. Say my name. Well, when it's around you, say baby I love you. Let me see how this can fit in. Let's curl this to the other side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, let's just do another one. I'm so tempted to make. Okay, let's do it. Cover this side a bit, and I don't know if I should curl here as well. But this is the hair that we have right now. Okay love, so this is the hair that I'm working with. I went ahead to play around with it. I combed it out to remove the curls, and this is still what we have. I feel like you can do anything with this. You can curl it however you want. I'm sorry, I'm still playing around with it, but I still want to play around with it. So let me just go ahead to straighten this out, canceling the curls out so we can get a different look with this hair. I love ponytail, but I can't get a ponytail with this hair. So what I'm going to do is to try and work with the, I think this is 4 inches, not sure, but I'm going to try and work with this 4 inches. Let's create this right here. Wait, take a bit. I'm just going to do that and then just do this. So guys, this is what we have now. So what I'm going to do is just to take a piece of that hair to cover up that band. So this is what the hair looks like in a top bun. You guys can definitely style it however you like, but this is what it looks like. Hey guys, so this is what the hair is looking like right now, and I could definitely see where I can trim it down, but that's for a trim for another day. So something else we can do to spice this look up just a little bit is we can actually tuck this in. Depending on how you like your bun to be, we can just roll this, wrap it in. Let's just mess it up a bit and then tie that around, and again mess it up, because the messier the sexier. Okay guys, so let me just take this out. So now that I've taken out that pony, what I want to do is to curl the hair with a wand, and this will probably take a lot of time. I'm going to leave all the links to what I'm using. So this is what the hair looks like now that we've curled it, and I use the curling wand for that. It's giving me like a wavy, loose, curly, sexy, romantic vibe. If you guys like this video, definitely let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment down below which style was your favorite. I think this one might be mine, but I'm gonna go ahead and just comb out the curls just so we can see what it looks like when it's a bit more like beachy, I guess. So let me just do that right now. This is what we get right here. It's just, yeah, I'll leave all the links to this hair and all the products I used as well in the description box. Do check it out. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fab and stay blessed. Bye guys.